Guys, it's been a while I don't talk to my friend Gracey. Ever since I get back from the Bahamas, Gracey don't call me. And while I was in the Bahamas, Gracey called me. And I bada me for my vacation. And from I come back, she not call me. I thought she said she want me to come cook food. And on please, go and ask Gracey about the cook off, okay? Okay. So right now, I decide for call the one Gracey. Gracey call me every minute when I'm on my vacation. And the worst part of it, I come home, I not hear from her much days now. I say I not call her, let me see. She knows I come home, you know. Cause I text her and tell her I'm at home. 2 days now I'm there, I not hear from her. What kind of friend is ya? Eh? Me first text you and tell you say I not come home. Let me call her right now. Turn off your phone. She not answer.
Please leave your.
She no answer. Unruly Gracey, no answer. She may be a wash up to go work. Today is our day off. And I don't hear from Gracey. Gracey?
Oi,
Look how long me I call you.
they not ready for come and work. I just reach work.
So because you just reach work at the time you call me.
If me call you is a problem. If me not call you is a problem. Fun.
Look for when me come here and me no hear from you.
That are you and your come business. You should have stay where you're there when you're over there. Go like you live over there and a show off. You should have stay.
Me did I show off or me just enjoy myself.
Anything you call it, a show off, me see it as.
Where show off come from this so?
And you have walk and you have this and you have that and you have one with yourself and you just get along.
You didn't want me to come back and now you didn't want me to stay. You're confused. Make up your mind.
How long back where you come from?
Yeah there. You don't tell me to hurry up and come home. I know.
How long right back? They come when you come, you're not help me. You give me no all?
Boy. Yes, sir. We can't manage this. You know, make up. I that me I say you're not off. So when is the cook off?
For me next weekend off, because I now go work.
Gracey, you is something else. You're a pain in the butt. Me I
And
tell
not
you.
your butt though.
No, not you.
But not in your butt.
Boy. You're not pain in my butt. You can't be pain in my butt. I only want to sleep. Me have her today.
Well, take care of your grandpicking that you're there for.
They're there.
Take care of your grandpicking. That's what you're here for.
So you don't have to take care of you them.
Yeah.
You don't have 1 dozen.
You know, so I take care of all 8 of them.
A 1 dozen you have.
I 8 and a 1 dozen. You don't
Mm-mm.
break to say 8 of them. But don't give me more than when you have. I'll reach inside. I'll call you later when I'm free.
Yeah, there.
Later.
No, I'm not time yet. I'm not 3 o'clock yet.
One more your business and leave me alone. Never clock in.
It's not 3 o'clock yet. You clock in when at 3 o'clock.
I'm
You...
good for good night.
Hello, don't hang up your phone, you know. What me say enough for though? Don't hang up your phone. I'm not 3 o'clock yet. I don't know why you.
Eh?
Don't hang up your phone. 3 o'clock you start work.
No, I'm coming my building. What happened to you?
Alright, so when is the cook off?
I'm not telling you already when we're on the next weekend off.
That a win.
So yeah, space no for
That a win, Gracey.
next when I'm off.
Yeah, but me don't know that a win. You have to give me time, me love, me busy. Give me an eyeglass.
I can't give you no time if you're listening to it.
Tell me when are your weekend off of that and top of chatting.
Oh yes, I do the hours.
You off this weekend? You off this weekend, Gracey?
No, me at work. I'm just off, but me at work.
So next weekend you're off.
No, the other one.
I'm making people them done you. You just
The
every other week you're supposed to off, and you just collect up hours like you're hungry.
You find it,
You don't even have a life.
I'll talk to you later. I'm at work. I'll call you back.
And at 3 o'clock yet, don't hang up your phone.
Later.
If you ever Mercy. I true me have Kayani why me not get mad pan Gracey, you know. I true me have Kayani, you know. I true me have my grandbaby, you know. And she a going like she want get me upset. Kayani, talk to her, yeah, man.